A moonlight garden is a special kind of garden. It comes alive at night. Imagine a gentle breeze carrying the sweet scent of flowers. The moon casts its soft glow on the petals. This is the magic of a moonlight garden. It's a place to relax and enjoy the beauty of nature at night. Unlike traditional gardens, a moonlight garden is designed for the evening. White and pale-colored flowers reflect the moonlight. This creates a captivating spectacle. It is a feast for the eyes and nose. A moonlight garden is truly unique. It offers a sensory experience that is simply magical. Imagine yourself sitting in your garden on a warm summer night. The stars are out and the moon is shining brightly. The air is filled with the sweet scent of night-blooming flowers. You can hear the gentle hum of insects as they flit from flower to flower. This is what a moonlight garden is all about. Whether you have a large garden or a small balcony, you can create your own moonlight oasis. It's a rewarding experience that will bring you years of enjoyment. So, why not start planning your own moonlight garden today? The first step to creating a moonlight garden is choosing the right location. You'll want to find a spot that gets some evening sun. However, it should also receive some shade during the hottest part of the day. This will help your plants thrive. Consider the path of the moon when selecting your spot. Think about where the moonlight will fall in your garden. You want to maximize the amount of moonlight that reaches your plants. That is how you will get that magical glow. Look for areas near a patio, deck or window. This will allow you to enjoy the beauty of your moonlight garden from indoors as well. Remember, accessibility is key. You want to be able to stroll through your garden easily. This is especially important at night. Once you've found the perfect spot, it's time to start preparing the soil. This is an important step in ensuring that your night-blooming flowers thrive. So let's get our hands dirty and create the perfect foundation for our lunar oasis. Good soil is essential for any garden. This is especially true for a moonlight garden. Night-blooming flowers need nutrient-rich soil that drains well. Start by clearing the area of any weeds or debris. Then dig in some organic matter, like compost or well-rotted manure. When selecting your plants, opt for white or pale-colored varieties. These colors reflect moonlight best, creating that ethereal glow. Some popular night-blooming flowers include moonflower, evening primrose, night-blooming jasmine, and nicotiana. Don't be afraid to experiment with different textures and heights to add depth and visual interest to your garden. For example, tall, spiky plants like evening primrose can be balanced with low-growing, spreading plants like sweet alyssum. Once your plants are in the ground, water them well. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of the plants. This will help retain moisture and suppress weeds. Section 4. Lighting up the night. While moonlight is the star of the show, you can enhance the ambience of your garden with some subtle lighting. Avoid harsh spotlights, as these can wash out the delicate beauty of your flowers. Instead, opt for soft, low-voltage lighting options like string lights, lanterns, or solar-powered path lights. These will create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Place the lights strategically to highlight focal points in your garden. Consider adding a water feature to your moonlight garden. The gentle sound of water will create a sense of tranquility. It will also reflect the moonlight beautifully. Remember, the goal is to create a magical and serene atmosphere. So choose lighting that complements rather than overpowers the natural beauty of your moonlight garden. Section 5. Maintaining your lunar oasis. Once your moonlight garden is established, it's relatively easy to maintain. Water your plants regularly, especially during dry spells. Apply a balanced fertilizer every few weeks to keep them healthy and encourage blooming. Deadhead spent blooms regularly to prolong the flowering period. Inspect your plants for pests and diseases, and take appropriate action if needed. In the autumn, cut back any dead or dying foliage. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of your plants to protect them from frost during the winter months. With a little care and attention, your moonlight garden will provide you with years of beauty and enjoyment. It's a wonderful way to connect with nature and create a peaceful retreat in your own backyard. So, roll up your sleeves, embrace the moonlight, and start creating your own nocturnal paradise.